Kanega Dudashan Meghalaya bang ipiang sa ubhay pi baro siya katup kubor man taga janmit syaban paj ki kubor ki babnya nginya pet chwai ki mat bakongsan. Rakhe ka Meghalaya ya ka International Women's Day rengkat ki kubor ki baklan. Rakhe ka Bharatiya Janata Party ya ka International Women's Day kintu ya ki kintay banshim ya ki Prime Minister's scheme. La Rakhe ya ka International Women's Day ha ampati batura la penkop buram ya ki nurse ki ANM ki baduna department bat nong yalam self help group. Bat kaseng Voice of the People Party kan tray banyo ya kasan pertay ka bakhoj bat penyar ya kaseng hakeleng ka jilla. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ka Sarkar Jilla ba Paul Lingdo ula banjur halor ka jing donkam ban ai jing hikai ki kinthei shaphang ka hok jongki ban pinjlan khun ban yada ya ki ne ki jingpang jing shitom ka bala ban khta ru ya ki jing he jing san jongki khna habakren ha ka jing yalang ban rakhe ya ka sngi kerpang jongki kinthei ha ka perthei ne ka International Women's Day uba Lingdo ula penpau bagi kinthei ki de ban shim benta shitrem ban yo ya ka jing shngan bat ka jing ya rengkat ha padeng ki kinthei bat shenrang ka Meghalaya kala shim ya ki sen jam ban pen kop bor ki kinthei bat kala la ru ban pen urlong ya ka thong jong ka beti bachao ka jing thmu jong ka jilla ka long bandang pen kop bor shu shu ya ki kinthei ha ka ba ka Menteri Ketenat ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo ka snau shlur baki kinthei ken no sen yang sha ka thong ban kintiu ya ka yo ka kot sha ka $10 billion.
Gender equality, we are assured, and you as women, as girls, are assured of safety. Certainly the state and our capital city of Shillong is one of the safest in the country, but we would like to ensure that we take that a notch further so that we become a living example of women's rights.
Let us review this service. Are we able to accelerate growth firstly in our families? There is this fear that if a mother becomes engaged economically, there's going to be a compromise on child rearing. It's not true. Women are able to compartmentalize their time. Women are able to manage their time efficiently.
Hakajing Rakhe ya ka International Women's Day ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Unit kala penlong ya ka jing yalang hanongpo ban ai ka jing ithu ya ka jing no sin yang jongki kenthei bat ban penkop bor ya ki bon na kinong yalam kenthei idari hun marbanyang bat isusuki pariat President Jongka Mahila Mocha Meghalaya kila ai jing kren ha ka jing yalang ikong pariat ila penpau ya ka jing sngongu ya Menteri rang ba du ka ri Narendra Modi halor ka jing trei barat ba jong u ban penkop bor ya ki kenthei bat kentiu ya ka bha ka miat ka jongki ila penpau ya shibon ki sien jam balawan ra da kinong yalam ka Central bat State BJP ban penkop bor ya ki kenthei ha Meghalaya.
Given I to play, yow Prime Minister Juni Narendra Modi ji, haka jiksa jungu, baulala ban pitkiw yang ki kintay, haka for badam kiwewi ki party, hishiyo I ba ki kintay ki kiw shabrang, hishiyo I, hon yo I ne, dang daw bidey ban long ki basyang pang, bangin perkhat janay.
La penlong ya kajing Rakhe International Women's Day ha ampati batura bat ka phang jong kajing Rakhe kalong accelerate action ban kintiu ya kajing long markat ju ha padeng kishen rang bat kinthei hatura ka Don Bosco College kalakot snobha ya Maria Helena K Marak IAS balashong that bat I Rikse R Marak MCS I Dr. Barbara S. Sangma ila banjur halor kajing donkam ban kintiaw ya ki kinthei ha kajing jongki bat ban ailat ya ki kinthei banya don benta ha ki kam baper Ha ampati ketenat Health and Family Welfare bat ka MSRLS kelai snok tilang ban penlong ya kajing rakhe ha bado hall. I Deputy Commissioner I Hema Nayak ila banjur halor kajing donkam banyatreilang ban penyo ya kajing ya long ringkat ha padang kintei bat shenrang. Ha kani kajing rakhe la padiang ban yaro ya kajing no sinyang jongki nurse ANM ki kintei ki baduna ha kad khotmet bat kinong yalam jongki self help group.
Literacy rate, be it labor force participation ratio, you see any different aspects, women have done fairly well in Meghalaya. Secondly, Meghalaya is one of the very few states where there is matrilineal society, where the land or the title comes from the mother and not from the father. And we have done very well. We have achieved, especially in terms of education, health and all the social indicators.
Haka jingkren bakongsan uhe kaseng Voice of the People Party uba Ardent M Basayamot ula banjur baka seng kami khmat ya ke jilla barok away om tang bakalong kerpang tang ya kawe gejat ben riu ne kathan kom kaseng riu lum kabla itu haga jilla ka VPP katmu ban wanra ya kasan perthei ka bakhut bat ka don ka jingthmu banya khon na Garo Hills haka election shaka yeng dorbar thawan jong snem 8,000 arpufra uba basayang mot ula penpau ban penyar ya kajing trekam jong ka seng da ka bakdo ba kajing kershan jong ki briu na rilom Garo kalanang kiu ula penpau kajing sngow scam ba kajing thmu jong ka VPP ban wanra ya ka sinshar ka bakhoj bat ka bahok kan yo jing kershan hakeleng ka Meghalaya.
That you are aware of the fact that we are diving into politics without depending much on money power and without the use of money power. And since our resources is very limited, we cannot organize the party in one go throughout the state. But we are gradually making inroads in Garo Hills, and we are also happy to get the feedback, the response from the Garo people that they are willing to join, to strengthen the party. So we will definitely try to reach gradually to every nook and corner of the state.
La rakhe ya ke International Women's Day ha Sinat College but ha St. Anthony's College ha Shillong. Ka Women's Cell but ka Center for Historical Research jong ka Sinat College ka la rakhe ya ka ne kasngi ha auditorium jong ka college. Ha ka ba u MP ka Lok Sabha u Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan ula long kum u kongsan. Ha ka ne kasngi la pelat ru ya ka kot ka bla ai kerteng Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya u Dr. Sinkan ula banjur ya kijing donkam ban itu ya kijing no sin yang jong ki kentei ha keleng ka perthei bat ban kentiau ya kijing ya rengkat ha padang ki shenrang bat kentei ula kular ban wanra ya ki imlang sa lang ka bakin thup ya baro bat ka badan kalat ka ya rengkat na ka benta ki kentei ka St. Anthony's College ru kala rakhe ya ka dikasngi ya ka bala penlong da ka Women's Anti-Harassment Cell ka Dr. Sarah Kharbuli ka badai ka cell coordinator klapin pau ya ka jing corridor jong ka ni ka sngi ha ka ba itu ya ka jing job bat ka bo jong ki kentei.
It is indeed an opportunity for us present here to reflect on the progress that has been made towards gender equality, and we are all here to reaffirm our commitment to building an inclusive society where women have equal opportunities in all spheres of life.
Okay, this International Women's Day actually is a day when we recognize the achievements and the unwavering strength of women. So here in our institution, we are acknowledging the contributions of women and also making them aware of their health. See, when we talk of women's health, it's not only physical and mental health, but it's also emotional and social health too. So having a camp side by side with the talks by the expert doctors, we are actually allowing the students to be aware of, cancer and about all these illnesses that they could prevent if it was detected.
Ka National People's Youth Front, ha Meghalaya kala yaro ya ka jam jong ka sarkar ban yarap ya ki samla pule lang ba ka Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme. Kani ka scheme lakmi lenti bakan ajing mentoy ya komba prapo hajar ngut ki samla pule barkan sedang terekam ha ka financial year ban 1. U Presiden ke NPYF uba wailat miki shilla ula penpau ya kejing sngongo ya menteri rangba ke jella ubla wanra ya kani kejing tmu watla ki don katto kani ki scheme ki bladan lupa ki bakirshan ya ki samla ban kirshan ya ki samla pule ke NPYF katmu ban thaw ya ki miet ai jingarap lane ki help desk ha shillong rilom jantia bat ha rilom garo ban yarap ha krukom tap application
ke NPYF ai kublai ya Chief Minister Badon Burom Jongi nak banta ke inisiatif ke Jongi ban sedang ya kenika scholarship scheme ru thamai ke ai kapteng ka Chief Minister scholarship scheme ha kenika scheme kumba ila yatho ha ka budget ba kumba 30,000 ngut ki samkhon samla Jongi ki ban pendep ya ka matriculate lani ka class 10 kin yo ka jingyarap ka ba 3,000 shismem hadin bagi pendep ya ka kelas 10 te kani kan sedang na kani ka financial year 1
Labu ya ka miet ai jingerap lani ka help desk ha ka office trekam jong u deputy commissioner Ribhoy ban pensuk ya jing syakri bat jing yarap ya ki patba u deputy commissioner u Abilash Baranwal ula banjur ba kani ka help desk kadon ka jing tmu ban pensuk ya ki patba ban yo ya jing syakri badon kam hapo ka office trekam jong u labu arngut ki brio ha kani ka help desk ban yarap ya ki patba khamtam kitu ki bawan na ki jaka bajengai lapen biang ru ya WhatsApp number pra iwe lai iwe pra iwe kndai iwe nakabenta ki patba ban kili benia ya ki jing syakri ki badon kam ha kate ka office kane ka jing tmu ka khmi lenti ban pensuk ya ki patba bat bakin la ban yo ya ka jing syakri jong ka sarkar
office deputy commissioner office we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number. So if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get
Dangshan ka Shillong Mizo community ka Larakhe ya ka Chapchar Kut ka Tamasa ka Bashongshit ka Bapeni ya ka Kolshor ka Bariuspa bar ka Jingya Tali Jongki ha usoso tham auditorium uba Paul Lingdo Menteri Katanat ki kam jengok kai perthai bat art and culture ulai shimbenta kum ukongsan katba u deputy resident commissioner ka Sarkar Mizoram ula penya ya ka ni ka Jingyalang uba Lingdo ula penpau ya ka Jingade ha ka history ha padang ki judge benriu Mizo bat KHASI da ka bawat ya ka judge benriu jongki syadu ka than syathela mi ingi jong ka deuba Asia bat penksan ya ka Jingya Seryem ha ka Kolshor jongki kani kala pendap kerpang ya ka Jing lek kemen ka ba pen scam ya ka Jing long tenrai ba ka Jing long shipara Unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula wanra ya ka resolution ha ka yeng dorbar tauan ke jella da ka biasat ban penlong ya ka tura kum kanong ba jong ka jella ha ka portalang kani ka jingjia ka long hadien ba ka Garoland State Movement Committee bat ka Achik State People's Front kilakin tu ya menteri rang ba ka jella u Conrad ke Sangma ban bishar benia ya ka tura na ka benta kani ka benta ha ubnai rempang tongnya khmi ya kani ka khubor U Dr. Sangma ula ken thok bala dala ban penlong ya ka Jingyalang jong ka ken hun menteri ha ki benta bapher jong ka jela ban jet ya ka tura kom kanong ba ha ka portlang kam de ban long ka ba e u menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ke Sangma ula jubab dak ba pen bena ban thau ya ka komiti ka ba kerpang ban bishar benia ya ka Jingdawa ka bala slam ba ban penlong ya ka tura kom kanong ba jong ka jela portlang
comprising of the 5 districts of Garo Hills generated the felt need of creation of winter capital at Tura for ensuring equitable and inclusive development of the region as a whole, which is in sync with the dreams and desires of our founder leaders of the state, with a shared objective of creating a sense of oneness among our 3 major tribes of the state.
Kibabun na kinong song jong ketura ki kersani kani ka Jingtarwa dah kebak kedau ya ke jing mentoi ha ke jing yat bet ha ke rukom trikam jong ke sorkar bat ki kam khayi ha ki por bajur bha ke jing kriat ke sun beneng ha shlong ke jing bishar benia bat ki jing ai jing mut jong ke ne ke komite kan long ke bakong san bha ban chim ya karai ha ke bayadei bat ke ne ke jing turwa.
During the winter time, Tura has a moderate climate. It's not too cold, so the government can run and the government can work properly in a proper manner.
Winter capital होने से तो Tura में थोड़ा develop आ जाएगा क्योंकि अभी winter capital Tura को इजाज़त है.
Place is not that crowded, and there is going to be more development in future for that.
Can ensure that everything is going smoothly without the interruption of winter season.
Develop के लिए बनाना चाहिए. ये Tura का नाम नहीं है ना, अभी तो जान सकेगा develop के लिए. और road भी बड़ा होगा.
Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya. Mentapan nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha Tura. Ka jing kriat kalong kan real degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong life away degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka hau mentakas ngi kalong prapu ana ka shispa. Haba pai pat syakanong ba shilong, ka jing kriat kalong pra point saw degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong khat khandai point khandai degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka hau mentakas ngi kalong saw pulai na ka shispa. Kan bah jawai pat ka jing kriat kalong shipo degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong arpaway degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka hau mentakas ngi kalong henriu pupra na ka shispa. Ka sun meneng kan rang hatura jawai bat shilong. Shuaban poi sya kabukut jong ka tup kubor nginya pet biang sa sisian ya kimat bakong san. Rakhe ka Meghalaya ya ke International Women's Day rengkat ki kubor ki baklan. Rakhe ka Bharatiya Janata Party ya ke International Women's Day kentu ya ki kenthei ban shim ya ki Prime Minister's scheme. La rakhe ya ke International Women's Day ha ampati bat Tura la penkop burom ya ki nurse ki ANM ki baduna de kotmet bat nong yalam self help group. Bat kaseng Voice of the People Party kan trei ban yo ya kasan perthei ka bakhut bat penyar ya kaseng ha kelengka jela. Tepar lok atung ilapoi syaka bakut jong katuk kubor jengi metaka janmiet haduk bende syembiang bat pi la syai kesngi keblei pi barok.